17th one, a particle moves on a given straight line with a constant speed v at certain time. It is at a point P. Let us draw the diagram. A particle moves on a given straight line. So it is moving on a given straight line with a constant speed v. At a certain time, it is at a point P. So let us take this as a point P on its straight line path. O is a fixed point. Show that OP cross V is independent of the position P. Some point O, let us take here O. We have to consider, we have to show that OP cross V. OP cross V is independent of the position of the P. So we have to show this. So first of all, OP cross V formula. OP cross V is equal to OP into V sin theta. This is the basic formula, and some direction n cap, any direction, because cross product result is vector. Vector should have magnitude as well as direction. So OP cross V is equal to OP V sin theta. In order to OP cross V as constant, see, show that OP cross V is independent. That means OP cross V should be always constant. Okay, irrespective of the position V. So if OP is constant, V is constant, sin theta is constant, then total OP cross V is constant. Am I correct? And they have given V as already constant. It is moving with a constant speed. So V is constant. And we have to show OP sin theta as constant. Then OP cross V should be constant. So for that, let us take one angle. So let us take this OP vector extended. Then it's the angle it makes with a positive x-axis is theta. And if you take these two lines like opposite angles are equal, you know, and so this will also be theta, and then you frame a triangle, right angle triangle here, OP some A, okay, OPA. In right angle triangle OPA, sin theta you take, sin theta will be opposite, that is OA by hypotenuse OP. So from here OA is equal to OP sin theta.
The screen.
So from here OA is equal to OP sin theta you will get. We have to prove that OP sin theta to be constant. OP sin theta which is equal to OA. See, it is a fixed point. O is a fixed point from this line. So OA is fixed. That means OP cos sin theta is also fixed. And V speed is constant they have given. So that is also fixed. So OP cross V is also fixed. And it is independent of the position P. Even if you take the position here, somewhere here also, the O point is here and OA is fixed. OA is fixed means OP sin theta is fixed. And V is already they have given, so OP sin theta into V, total value is fixed. So OP cross V is always fixed.